Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're checking out the Key West 244 center console. This one was on display at the Daytona Beach boat show earlier this year. And this one hits that perfect balance, where she's big enough to handle offshore fishing. You can spend all day on board, but she's also small enough that you can take it to different locations. You can even bring it home in this double axle trailer. I love the flared bow that this one has. Should cut through the waves nice and keep everybody on board dry. And that painted hull also gives it a quality feel to it. I love the deep shine and reflection you get from it. It gives it more style than just being a plain white hull. So this one measures in at 24 feet 4 inches long. She's got a beam of 9 feet. She's got a draft of 16 inch and she's got a 140 gallon fuel capacity. So in terms of price point for this one, as you see it here today, including the trailer, this one was on sale at the boat show for $108,792. They were offering a special where with 10% deposit, this one was available for $639 per month. And that includes a 3-year engine warranty and a 10-year hull warranty. This one's powered by twin 150 horse Yamaha outboards. This should give a top speed somewhere around the 50 mile an hour mark. On a comfortable cruise around about a 25 mile an hour. And as this was a boat show, they did have solid boarding ladders here, but I like the fact that the boat has got built-in boarding ladders to the bathing platform. Not only for when you're in the water, if you're fishing and diving and want to get on board, but this also helps when it's on the trailer and you want to climb up as well. And you'll notice there's rod holders everywhere, from the transom to behind the seat to the roof of the T-top. This one definitely has a fishing first design. And note the twin 18 gallon live well. There's one on each side of the aft quarter. And I also like the fact that this has got the clear lid on here so that you can easily keep an eye on things. I like the use of the aft seating here, where it can flip up out of the way if you need more deck space. And I also like the safe and secure way that they've got the cooler underneath the helm seat. As much as this is designed for fishing, those seats and that cooler could make this a great family cruiser as well. And I love the framework that you see around the seating for the helm and the T-top. Not only is it solid and secure for what it is, but there's also plenty of handholds to grab onto, both when the boat's underway and also whenever you're stopped and fishing. And here you can get a close up of some of those rod holders that I had mentioned earlier. And as we make our way around, you can see here we've got the rod storage and the gunnels. This has got moulded in support for them. And we also have rod holders and drinks holders moulded into the side decks itself. You might not pick it up in the video too well, but I like the soft cushion support that you have around the side decks. Should give you some added protection if you bump your hips into it while fishing or underway. And the bow's been designed for both fishing and cruising. You've got seating on either side, and underneath these seats there's 2 large boxes for additional storage. And I was impressed to find that not only does this have an anchor, but it's got an electric windlass here with a deep anchor locker. Not all boats of this size have got as much equipment on board. And as we pan round, I definitely recommend that T-top. Gives great shade and protection, but also looks the part too. And on the deck in the bow area, you'll find here that there's an in-floor fish box. And this storage space actually lifts up. There's a stainless steel piston and can easily drain overboard. And then as we make our way around, heading aft on the port side, I can show you the compartment that's inside the center console itself. And this is pretty much multi-purpose. It currently serves as where the porta potty is, allowing you to spend extra time out at sea with some creature comforts on board. It's a great area if somebody needs to get changed and is looking for some privacy, but it also doubles up as it can be used for large storage, especially for things like the seat cushions or any canopy covers you want to have on board. You also have access to all the wiring for the electronics and the batteries, and this canopy cover can be latched back into place and protect that all up. And then we come to the helm. We got a double wide captain's chair with flip up bolsters, and this one did come with a Garmin multifunction display. You've got your Yamaha engine controls, you got your Fusion stereo system, Lenco trim tab, and VHF radio. I also like the fact that there was more space here if you wanted to add additional electronics, including overhead and the storage compartment up there as well. And again, for a boat of this size, I was impressed to find that overhead, this is equipped with outriggers installed, with Grand Slam tackle outriggers on both sides of the T-top. Overall, I was very impressed with the build quality, the specification and the value for money. This is a fast, fun, fully functional family fishing boat that also doubles up as a great day cruiser as well. As always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you can leave a comment down below. In the description, I'm going to leave a link that takes you to Key West website directly. And that way you can see not only the specification for this boat, but all the different models they have on offer. I'd like to thank Aloha Marine and Key West for allowing me the opportunity to be on board. Thank you for your time for watching, and as always I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.